Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th geography. We are discussing an important chapter, that is manufacturing industries. Yes, in a manufacture, how it is important for the making more implementation or the development of industries and economical condition of a country. And here the manufacturing goods. Yesterday we learnt about manufacturing, how it will be raw material it will be processed to a ready-made material. I given one example also, that is a raw material as a sugar cane, and it will be produced as well as, and it will be give a production like a jaggery and a sugar. Not only that one, here also we can take a textile also. The another in the topic, in the same topic, the subtopic of manufacturing of the industry, that is a contribution of industry to a national economy. Yes, sir. So here the contribution means the giving some part of our side. Yes, that is of industries to development of national economy. So economy, it is, I think you all know already, we are the learned so many things to getting an idea of a national economy. So national economy, it is a sharing, manufacturing the sector has at 17% to 27%, that is GDP, the gross domestic product. Yes, so the gross domestic product, which we are the including the so many things, the day to day life, for example the agriculture, the farming, which they are the giving a domestic product. Here we can take a primary sector also, primary, secondary and tertiary. Three sectors are the very important to understand the contribution of industry to national economy. Okay, so the 17% to 27% here, the gross domestic production, it will be taking a part of national economy. So in that, the 10% they are the using for the mining, the quarry, natural gases and production of the electricity. So these the 10%, they are the included in these different sectors of a industries. These are the different type of the sectors which they are the using for to the development of the national economy. Yes, so when we are seeing all these comparison of to our country to other countries, that is the East Asian countries, they are the totally too much developed, they are the more developed to compare to our country India. Yes, so it is the too much developed, they are the developed, they are the using the 25% to 35%. Yes, the growth of what? The growth of manufacturing. Here the growth of the manufacturing, now what we are the doing, we are the taking some part of the manufacturing of industries in our country. And when the since 2003, the when we are the seeing the survey of these 2003, that is a manufacturing, once again the growth, it is the 9% to 10%. It is a growth, totally a growth of a manufacturing industry, about 9% to 10% per annum. And here the government they are the making the different types of the policies for to the to make a people to attract for to the towards to the what industries. That is the main important here, the manufacturing, to achieve the target for to the next decades, for to the next generation, they are the making a contribution for to the production of through a manufacturing. Okay, so along with that, the government is making the different things of they are the giving the loans, they are the making a part of ordinary people to involve in these manufacturing industry. Along with that, the our government, it is a making the contribution of the government through the NMCC, that is the National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council. Yes, here this NMCC, this is making a people to attract as well as to productivity economic productions through the manufacturing industries. They are giving the so much contribution to make a develop for to the national economy. So today's segment we are learnt the subtopic of manufacturing industries. For the reference, you can refer to the 10th grade economics textbook. Thank you.